What's going on, Freedom Fam? Derek Johnson from Legendary here, and today and over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be doing some content around a platform that I love called DropFunnels. So you've probably heard me talk about this in the past if you're a subscriber, but I want to dive into it over this next couple weeks for a couple reasons. One, I'm kind of bored and I haven't been doing regular content that often. And two, they're running a cool affiliate contest over this next 2 weeks, and the top prize is a Remarkable 2, which is like a little tablet you can write on, and I really want to win that for my daughter. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss the content over this next 2 weeks. With that being said, I want to dive into a couple other reasons you should check out DropFunnels, and I'm going to give you a free course about DropFunnels. You don't have to pay anything. All you have to do is drop your email. So just stay tuned for that. So I made this course on DropFunnels, obviously, and it's really cool how you can completely customize the look of your courses. So you could completely replace a platform like Teachable or Kajabi or anything like that. And you can see here, this one is built with some video modules at the top, and it's got 6 different modules in total, so you can play right through. You can set the completion. So if they watch a certain portion of the video, it'll mark it complete. You can set it to 95%, 100%, or even 75%. However you want to set that up, it's completely customizable. So just the modules in here that I like to touch on for people to show them the power of DropFunnels and how everything works together. I have an intro just walking people through the course. Then I touch on courses. So there's 2 different courses. You have a basic and advanced, and I touch on that a little bit. And then sales funnels. That's the huge part of DropFunnels, is they have awesome sales funnels capabilities with one-click upsells, downsells, super unique design elements that are too hard for me to do if I was trying to build it in WordPress, but they make it super simple to just drag and drop whatever element you need onto your funnel. You get an SEO powered blog. So that's one of the main reasons DropFunnels is a powerful platform, is you can pump out content and start to rank on the search engines over time. So highly recommend getting in there and setting up a blog. You get products and sales you can completely customize. They have some really unique features for their checkouts. You can add coupon codes, and these could be time-based or quantity-based, stuff like that. And then we've got lead quizzes. So if you're using something like JotForm, you don't really have to keep that. You can build some cool quiz-type funnels right in DropFunnels. So make sure to check this out. I'm going to leave the link below. All I need is your name and email, and I'll shoot that right over. No charge or anything like that. Jump right in and check out the content inside that course. If you do want to start a free trial, I do have some bonuses I'm going to offer over this next 2 weeks. If you do decide to start a free trial of DropFunnels, you're going to get some huge bonuses from me and DropFunnels as well. So these funnel templates are already going to be loaded into your platform for you. You get the fit cross funnel. You have real estate, marketing agencies. These are premium funnel designs you can tweak to your brand. You get some authority sites, local service business funnels, so plumber, chiropractor. You get coaching and e-commerce. So if you're selling physical products, you get a cool little store you can tweak. Or if you're doing coaching programs and stuff like that, there's a funnel in there for you. And I'm also going to hook you guys up over this next 2 weeks with some powerful tools. So you're going to get a free account on Legendary. That's a $97 a month value. That's the Legendary plan, and that's huge right there. So I have tons of content on here showing you how to use the Legendary system to set up professional IVRs. You can do SMS autoresponders. You can do drip campaigns with email, text messages, phone calls. You can do voicemail drops. So you're going to get the whole power of Legendary as long as you're an active DropFunnels user. I'm going to hook you up with my SMS marketing course and my Facebook organic marketing course. So both of these will get you set up nicely to learn how to profit from social media and automation. You're also going to get a high value Chrome extension called Happy Birthday. I love this tool. I'm always getting comments back from all my friends on Facebook, and I never have to remember a birthday again. This will automatically post on their wall, or it can even send them a message on their birthday. It'll be completely customized to their name, and I can tweak the messages, once per year so that it's different every year. So that's really awesome. And you're going to get invited to my private Facebook group where I do group training and stuff like that. So if you have any questions, you can just ask those in there. So highly recommend checking it out. You can see this quote from Mike Dillard here. He says he's all in on DropFunnels for one reason, because it's the future, and he knows a thing or two about digital marketing. So I would highly recommend you give it a try. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Make sure to subscribe and smash that bell if you're new to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming content over the next 2 weeks. I'm going to try to do 2 videos per day on different aspects of DropFunnels and why I think you should check it out. Hope you enjoy the content and get some value out of it. Appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.